Hi, boys and girls. I hope everybody's doing well. So we're starting week, oops, wrong side. We're starting week 2. And I just wanted to go over some things because normally what we do is Miss Vitale writes the words on the board for words of the week. And then afterwards we go through them and you try to figure out on your own what the words mean. Okay. So this time we obviously can't do it because you guys are home. Miss Vitale's here. We don't necessarily have a board. So what I want you to do is when you click on the words of the week, okay, I want you to remember that in each corner where the word is written, there is the definition of the word. So if I zoom in, we can see that right here, errand, the definition is an errand is a short trip to deliver or pick up something. Okay? And then if you scroll, then you can see furious. If you are furious, you are extremely angry. So once you have the definition to the word, then you're able to answer the question. So it even gives you an example of what the word means. So my mom was furious when our dog dug up her favorite rose bush. So then once you read the questions, then you're able to answer what furious means. Okay? So I just wanted to do this video quickly so that you guys can get an idea of where you can find the definition of the words. Now remember, boys and girls, when you're doing the words of the week activities that you can complete all of the questions. That means that you complete the multiple choice here. You complete the sentence here, okay? Whoopsie. That you then go to the next page and that you complete all of these questions here, and then that you write your sentence, a complete sentence. Okay, boys and girls, make sure that you complete all 4 pages for words of the week, and then you're good to go. All right?